Review of the SIHOO Ergonomic Office Chair. Sold by SIHOO. Introducing the SIHOO Ergonomic Office Chair, designed for ultimate comfort and support. The S-shaped backrest mimics the human spine, providing full back support. It has an adjustable headrest supports your neck, ensuring long-term comfort. You can easily tilt the chair between 110 to 126 degrees and adjust the height by 10 centimeters. The 3D armrests can be raised, lowered, moved back and forth, and rotated. The PU leather armrest surface adapts to your sitting position for multi-angle support. The seat cushion features springy foam and a curved design for ample support. It's made of tough, breathable polyester mesh. It keeps you cool and sweat-free. Every part undergoes strict safety and quality testing for reliability. The gas lift is BIFMA and SGS certified, supporting up to 330 pounds. Assembling the chair is easy in just 7 steps with the simple instructions supplied, even for a non-DIY person like me. You can enjoy free returns and refunds within 30 days, and it has a 3-year warranty. It's a great investment in your comfort and upper body support, especially if you spend a lot of time sitting. I can comfortably recommend it.